Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. You need to begin by going into Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Notifications and Status Bar. Following that, scroll down and tap on Recent next to App Notifications. Then select the best option for you. I will go with Frequency. Finally, you can click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications, like Chrome. To turn them back on, select the same Now Gray switcher. If you want to, you can always just click on your app on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!